Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix TikTok live stream error. Fixing a TikTok live stream error depends on whether you are experiencing a technical glitch, missing features, or performance issue like lag. Now, if you can't see a live button, you just want to open the TikTok app. And if you cannot see the live button, then it means you have to verify your eligibility. Now, in many cases, you have to be at least 18 years old and at least have 1,000 followers. If you don't have any of these options, then it can simply see that you're not eligible or fit for it. If you have 1,000 follower and you're also 18 years and above, you could just tap onto the menu bar, go to settings on your device, locate the clear cache or free of space or data saver right over here, and make sure to clear cache. That should also definitely help you out. Next, you will also try checking your updates. So go to your app store and tap on the search bar, type in TikTok, and that should also definitely help you out. So this way you should be able to fix TikTok live stream. And that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.